Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Christmas makeup look inspired by the Gingerbread Man. So let's get right into it. So for this makeup, I'm going to use the Gingerbread eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, and I'm gonna start off with this eyeshadow shade, and I'm gonna concentrate this eyeshadow right on the crease, and I'm gonna go back and forward with a blending brush. Taking this orangey shade, I'm going to concentrate it right on top of the first shade that we used with a more dense brush. Using a flat brush and a little bit of concealer, I'm going to do a cut crease on my eyelid and just patiently and slowly go ahead with it. You don't want to do it too high or too low. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of tape to create a very sharp winged liner, and I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow tones that I used for my cut crease on my lash line. And I'm going to be cleaning my brush in between so I can get a clean application. Next, with a white eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and just trace the cut crease with a very thin brush. This eyeliner that I'm using is from a face paint palette, and it's been a little bit hard to work with. To be honest, I would have preferred like a liquid eyeliner for this part, and all I'm doing right here is kind of mimicking snow falling down from the eyes. And then I'm gonna do some green dots and red dots all over the brow bone area. Okay, here starts the fun part. I'm gonna be tracing my face mask, and I'm just using a nude eyeliner to do this. It's really simple and easy, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick for this to paint all of the inside of the face mask. It is important that you guys use a liquid lipstick for this so it sets in. If you guys use a lipstick, everything's gonna smosh all over the place and it's not gonna come out good. Next, with a black eyeshadow, I'm gonna start blending in the edges, and as you guys can see, I did the little strings green color, and I forgot to put this part, but I'm gonna go on top of the black with a green shade so it looks more Christmassy and it starts looking way better. Next, with a black liquid liner, I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing in the Gingerbread Man. This was a little bit tricky to get all of them the same size, but I guess if you just do it, you go ahead with it, it comes out perfectly. Whether if it's big or small, it just turns out really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that all over the face mask, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw on some candy canes all over the face mask as well. And you can do this wherever you want to. It's your face mask, it doesn't have to be exactly like my one. So now I'm gonna start coloring in the Gingerbread Man's, and I'm using my face palette for this, and I'm gonna link it in the description below so you guys can see which one it is. I bought it from Amazon, and it's really cool because it has a lot of varieties of colors. And I'm gonna put some details to the Gingerbread Man's, like the eyes, the little buttons, and I'm gonna do some stripes for the candy canes using a white paint as well. And I'm gonna do some kind of like a snow sort of effect by doing some little white dots all over. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna be applying some highlighter on my cheekbones, my forehead area, and the little bridge of my nose that is left in there. As well, I'm going to be applying the highlighter in the teardrops and brow bone. That is it for this makeup look. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me a comment below, let me know what you guys would like to see next. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone.